Hi there folks, and welcome to the What Solutions for this week's The Daily Rigour issue number 49. So in our first story in the technology section, we've actually got it. We've got a UK Iron Man, and what he's done is he's made this suit much like the Iron Man in the films, and he's actually showed everyone it working at a recent technology convention in Vancouver. So he claims, but he doesn't due to health and safety reasons, but he claims it can fly at 200 miles an hour and can currently fly uninterrupted for around 12 minutes. So assuming the suit flies at this speed for the given time, how many miles should Mr. Browning, the inventor, be able to travel in his suit? So how many miles? Obviously we're working at a distance, and that's going to be speed times time. So the speed is 200 miles per hour, but in order to get the distance in miles, we need the time to be in hours. It's currently in minutes, so we need to change this into hours. So to change minutes into hours, we divide by 60, so 12 minutes is 0.2 hours. So to complete the calculation, we need to do 200 times 0.2, which gives us an answer of 40 miles. So put your hands up if you want that for Christmas. I certainly do. But if that's not exciting enough, it was announced last week by Disney that the fifth Indiana Jones film is going to be on the 10th of July 2020. So how many days do we have to wait for this film to be released? And we're going to use the 30th of April as our starting point. So 30 days in April, so we're straight on to May. So that's going to be 31 days. We've got 30 days for June, 31 days for July, 31 days for August, 30 days for September, 31 days for October, 30 days for November, and 31 days for December. And that's 2017 done with. So in 2018, that's going to be 365 days because it's a non-leap year. We're going to add another 365 days for 2019, another non-leap year, and that's us on to 2020. So it's going to be 31 days for January. Now 2020 is actually a leap year. It's going to have an Olympic Games. So that means that February is going to have 29 days in it that year. So we get March is 31, 30 is April, 31 is May, 30 is June, and it's the 10th of July, so we've just got to add on 10 days for July. All in all, if you put that all into your calculator correctly, that's going to be 1,167 days to go. Don't worry guys, it's not going to seem that long, it's going to fly by. Okay, into our next story, the business section. So we've got fidget spinners, my goodness. So actually I confiscated one in my class the other day, and I ended up using the whole period fidgeting with it. So I can see maybe why you guys do it. Right, here's 3 genuine offers on eBay that I found this morning. So which one of these is the best deal? So seller A, it costs £1.79 with the £2.20 postage and packaging, so that's £3.99. Seller B is selling it for slightly dearer at £1.88 but with less of a cost of postage and packaging, so that's a total cost of £3.98. And obviously seller C doesn't charge for postage and packaging, so it's £3.99. So which one of these is the best deal? Well, it's going to be seller B because he's 1 pence cheaper. So not a fantastic saving, but a saving nonetheless. Okay, so now we're on to United Airlines offering up to $10,000 for forfeiting your seat. So this is quite an interesting one. So we've got a wee case study with the Millers booking a holiday, and we're wanting to see if one of them had to forfeit their seat on the way home, would it actually pay for their entire trip? So their holiday is £4,776. Add the passes, add the spending money, that comes to £7,692. But we need to change that into dollars so that we can compare it with the 10,000. So we change British money into dollars by multiplying by the exchange rate, and it's currently 1.3, and that's going to give us $9,999.60. So we're now going to compare these. Would this compensation cover the entire trip? Well, unbelievably, yes it would, with 40 cents to spare. So there you have it guys, you heard it first at the Daily Rigour. If you want a free family holiday to Florida, that's how you do it. But in the meantime, that was our What Solutions for the Daily Rigour, issue number 49. Hope you enjoyed that. Stay tuned for next week's edition, when we're going to be looking at more stories from the news of the week and the numbers behind them. But in the meantime, thanks for watching, and bye for now.